everybody, my name is Julie and I work at the Chatham branch at CKPL. As we can't meet up in person right now, we are bringing our programming to you with our Crafternoons to go. Each month we will feature a new kit you can sign up for, and we'll post a video tutorial so we can all craft together. If you weren't able to get a kit, I will go over all of the supplies so you will know what you need to follow along. So our project for our September Crafternoon to go is folded book art. Let's get started. So your Crafternoon kit for September will include the book as well as the instructions, which include the pattern. You will need to gather up from home a pencil as well as a ruler that has centimeters and millimeters marked out on the side. So this pattern consists of 40 folded pages. So the very first thing we need to do is find the middle of the book. Now you can do this by counting the number of pages, dividing in two, but you do have to remember to include the pages at the front and the back that are not numbered. So I almost find it easier just to eyeball it. Find the general center. That looks pretty good. And then count back 20 pages is where you'll find your starting point. So I have done that already. So this is where I'm starting in this book. So your pattern is here on your instruction sheet. Each page you will be putting 2 marks on. So you just have to follow down very precisely with what is in your pattern. So the first marks are going to be at 7.7 centimeters and then again at 8.9 centimeters. And it's where these marks are is where you're going to fold, which will eventually create the pattern of the heart. So we're going to start out here, and I'm going to come down to 7.7 and then 8.9. One thing I found really helpful is to remember to put a little tick or a dot beside your every time you do one of your pages. So you remember where you are. You don't get off track. So we're going to turn to the next page. So this one is 7.1 and then 9.6. So we're going to come down to 7.1 and then 9.6. And I'm going to put my dot here. And these are 6.8 and 10.1. So you just continue on doing the exact same thing on every page until you get to your 40th fold. So I've gone ahead and marked all 40 of my pages, and now it's time to start folding. So we're going to be folding from the top corner and also from the bottom corner. So this one, I'm going to fold it in to where the first dot is. One thing I found kind of helpful, if you line it up along the words on the page so that it's nice and straight. And then we're going to make this fold as crisp as possible, so maybe go over it with your nail or a letter opener, something like that. So you know you've got it folded right when you have a nice 90-degree angle on your inside corner. So that's the top. Now we're going to do the bottom. It's lined up with the dot, nice and even with the words on the page. Just fold it down, make it nice and crisp, and we're on to the next page. It's kind of hard to imagine how this is going to make a heart, but we will show you as you continue on how these pages kind of all come together to form that shape. Okay, so you just continue on with all 40 pages. Okay, so I've completed all 40 pages, and as you can see, a really cool heart shape has developed from those folds. So all that's left now is to find a spot for your piece of art and enjoy.